is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Transit 250. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that 3.5-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Upfitter Package. This vehicle does have the medium roof, which is pretty handy for all your cargo necessities. We do get rear park sensing. You got a little tow hook in the back here. We got a split door in the back, all-wheel drive. It does open split view like I said, so pretty easy. You got a little 12-volt here. We got some lighting in the back here, vinyl floor interior, plenty of places to hook up all your cargo. Really make this van however you please. And to open the other one, you just slip this forward. You can lock and unlock it from there as well, which is all pretty handy. Continue our look at the vehicle on the outside here. We got those silver rims, black accents. We do get keyless entry keypad, so you do get a code for it, so you don't have to use your key. Trailer tow mirrors are lawn armed. Got some nice lights on the side here, side view camera as well. And moving to the front here, we got license plate bracket, front park sensing, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the vehicle now, we can see this vehicle does have seating for up to 2 people. This nice gray and black cloth interior, manual adjustable seats, plenty of door space in the back, powered windows, powered locks, auto stop, auto start, parking brake, lights, oh that's a cup holder, lights right here, mirror adjusters, cup holder, and plenty of storage on the dash with some outlets. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 38 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have lane centering and digital speedometer with my view, trip and economy, status info, vehicle maintenance, trip, audio, phone, navigation, and other settings. To my right, we got a little grip here to get to your back. Pretty handy. You got a light you can turn on or off for your back here, which is pretty nice, and it's delayed. Plenty of storage above on the car. Storage, cup holders, all that jazz, upfitter switches, some storage here, gear select with hazards, volume, drive modes, max temp, 360 view of the vehicle, which is pretty nice, park sensing you can turn on or off, 12 volt, all that jazz, storage below. And look in here, you have all your climate controls at the bottom, navigation, audio and phone, settings, features, and apps. Here's what your navigation is, search, recent, saved, all that jazz. You can have your audio open at the same time. And for your audio here, you do get AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. Phone controls, your settings just right here as well. Navigation, just your normal vehicle settings. Features, driving assist, drive modes, and any apps you may download will show up in here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KA50406, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.